Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. I am off today and it's Mary Frances' birthday, which is Summer. You know her, all of my vlogs. She's gonna be 18 and I'm really happy for her, and she's gonna leave me because she's going to Amsterdam, so she's gonna leave me. It's only for a year anyway, but I'm really happy for her. So we're gonna see each other. I'm just waiting for her respond because she's currently still doing her hair. And yeah, I literally just got done doing my makeup. And for today, I kind of have a new hairstyle. I don't normally do this kind of hairstyle because I feel like if I do this, like I look like a potato, especially I'm really ugly. And then I don't know, I feel like it's so different because I haven't tried this hairstyle. I was just like looking online and looking at YouTube like what kind of different hairstyle, so I kind of just did this because I don't want to curl my hair or like straighten it up, because I feel like I've been straightening my hair, like put it down. So yeah, I want to do like something new, so this is what I did. And also the lashes that I'm wearing right now is from, like I said, this is my go-to lashes, AOA Studio. This is the premium lashes and the name of it is Jean. Yeah, right there. So it's really good. And for my lips, I am using my Amazonian Maybelline from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Amazonian. This is like my favorite lipstick of all time. But anyway, I'm just gonna wear this white top, a mom jeans, and I don't know what shoes that I'm gonna wear. I don't if I want to wear the plain Nike Air Force Nike or the one with the Cortez Nike. I don't know. But yeah, this is my makeup for today. I'm just gonna put everything together. Like I'm gonna grab my wallet and put it in my bag because I feel like I'm just gonna wear I'm gonna accessorize so it doesn't look like very plain. So wait a minute. So I'm thinking like a hoops. Oh, wait a minute. So anyway, like this, I totally forgot that I have some hoops that I got from Forever 21. This is it's like $3.90. It's like $4. I don't know if I want a bigger hoops or like a regular size. Oh, this one has like, this is cute too, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear those really. I feel like I'm just gonna wear, and also my Pandora, how do you call it, bracelet? Yeah. Let's see, let me just try to, okay. Yeah, this one is cute. I feel like this is better. Anyway, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will be right back. I have a gift for her here. Hello. Hi, hi baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I like your hair. What? I like it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness.
A few inches later.
At a thrift store. I know. Didn't plan this, but we're here at a thrift store. We're supposed to go to the donut place, but they closed early. So we're ending up in a thrift store. Let me see. That is so cute actually. Oh, that one is cute. This is like, is it a floral or no? That's cute. Look at this, guys. She found these heels. It looks like a Prada, but like they're too big for her. Oh, this is her fit. We're like twinning. Jeans. I'm wearing jeans as well. It's so cute, Mary. It's Lord and Taylor. It's really, the shoes are like very expensive. I'm trying to look for like cute vintage outfit. Oh my god, this is very tita. This is very tita. So This is for $4. Like, are you kidding me? It's cute. The whole fit. Fino? Cute. That was Fendi. It's not Fendi, guys. Oh my god. They're like very fluffy. They have so much cute bags in here. Oh my god. We're just trying to look for bags here. They like this too. This is very vintage. Oh, I saw like before when we came in here, there's like a CVS like paper bag. Not paper bag, like you know, like the bag from CVS. It's like, why are they trying to sell a CVS bag in here? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Get it? It's not gonna fit. Oh Mary, look! For your birthday. How much is this? Oh, 99 cents. Not bad. Look at this bamboo. Here. You can probably rock on that bamboo thing. Ooh, this one's... They have a lot of leather. So guys, so we're going back to her house because they're having family dinner. And she's 18. She's going to Amsterdam, which everything is legal. Fuck America. She's like, yeah, fuck America. It's weed is legal there. Shrooms is legal there. She's gonna have fun. You're gonna have fun. Yes. She's very amazed of it. It's like she's not coming back to America. At this point, I'm not coming back to America. We're back home with this little cutie. Hi, honey. Here. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Over there. Wanna play? Here, you wanna play? Come here. Give it to me. Good boy. Here, give it to me. Ready, ready, ready? Ready. Marvin, honey. Oh my goodness.
Her mom's now at Heritage, so now she has her house back, and they've been looking forward to that. Yeah. Girls' weekend.
Good.
Okay.
The house, so mom has declined enough to need placement.
Yeah. All right, everybody grab a seat.
Yep.
Maybe-
He's gone. He
You took it with him.
Underneath that with that.
Bring money, it goes with you tonight. So off the way.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Sixty
They're
years
well
ago,
ordered.
your mom was cooking that. Reason why I'm gonna deal with terrible pain.
What I did with my life.
Yeah, good job.
It's not like that.
I'm waiting for Adam.
Oh, okay.
And Marvin too.
We're waiting on you, dude. Did you get him thing?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, speak of the devil.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you.
She couldn't count.
Hey, get the ego. It's okay.
Hi guys, so I'm on my way to Burger King. I'm done actually eating, but my husband wants me to buy him Burger King because he's hungry. So I'm on my way to, well, I'm here now at the almost at the Burger King. I think he wants to try the burger, like the new burger they have, like the vegan type of burger. So I'm gonna try to order that for him. And I'm really sad because Mary Frances is gonna leave me. Like I said, she's leaving this Thursday for Amsterdam, and I wish her all the best, honey. I want you to enjoy your life. You're 18, you're still young, you can do a lot of things, and I love you so much. But anyways, I'm not gonna try to vlog here because there's a car beside me. So yeah, we ate lasagna, and I also ordered some donuts earlier at the Krispy Kreme. So I had the strawberry raspberry glazed donut. It was so freaking good. Okay, I will talk to you guys later because I'm driving and I don't want to vlog and drive. Hi guys, so I'm finally home and I'm gonna show you this bag which I got from Thrift store, and it's this brown bag that has like gold details over there, and it's like leather, and it's so cute that I have to get it. It's, I don't know what kind of brand is this, but it says Tawney de France right in here, right there. And I paid $4 something with this one. It's really cheap. It's $4.98. Here, it's like blue tag. Yeah, $4.98. And yeah, I'm really excited to use this bag because I do have a brown bag, but like this is kind of like unique, and it's like shoulder bag, so it's really cute. But yeah, I have to go home early because I have to work early tomorrow, so her flight is gonna be Thursday, so I might stop by if I don't have work Thursday because I'm not sure yet. So I might stop by before her flight and say my last goodbye. And we took a picture for my Fujifilm Instamax, and they're so cute. I like this. Yeah, it's just me and her right there. So yeah, we took a pictures, and I'm gonna keep this forever and cherish this forever. So she had one copy which is like a different pose. I give that to her because I have like 10 more films, and I had 2 copies. Well, I have 2 copies. So yeah, I know I'm gonna miss her. Her boat looks so cute in the picture. But anyway guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because like I said, I'm gonna try to get some rest. And we didn't really what do you call this, like spend a lot of times at the thrift store because we had, you know, she has a family dinner like earlier that you saw in a clip, and we don't want to be, you know, late in her own family like birthday celebration dinner or whatnot. But yeah, that's for the thank you guys for watching, and I will like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.